Hello everyone, my name is Popoiwa Ogoloy. I'm going to talk about age-related physiological factor in language learning. Learning a new language is a fascinating journey, and one of the most frequently asked questions is, does age matter? While it is true that children often acquire languages with remarkable ease, the notion that adults are inherently incapable of achieving fluency is a myth. This video explores the physiological factors that influence language learning at different ages, revealing a more nuanced picture than simple age comparison. The first thing, the critical period hypothesis. The critical period hypothesis suggests that there is a biological determinate time frame, typically childhood, when language acquisition is most efficient. This is often cited to explain the seemingly effortless fluency of native speaker. However, the reality is more complex. While it's generally accepted that achieving native-like pronunciation might be more challenging for adults, research doesn't support a hard cut-off point for language learning success. Adults can and do achieve high levels of fluency and functional proficiency. The ease of acquiring perfect pronunciation shouldn't overshadow the significant achievements possible in adulthood. Next thing, brain plasticity and cognitive development. A key of difference lies in brain plasticity, the brain's ability to recognize itself by forming new neural connections. Children's brain exhibit higher plasticity, allowing for rapid language acquisition through implicit learning. Adults, however, possess advanced cognitive skills, better memory strategies, analytical abilities, and metacognitive awareness. These cognitive advantages allow them to approach language learning strategically, focusing on grammar rules, vocabulary acquisition, and efficient learning techniques. While the rate of learning may differ, the adult brain's capacity for change remains substantial. Next thing, learning style and motivation. Learning style also play a significant role. Children often learn implicitly, absorbing language organically. Adults, on the other hand, typically utilize more explicit learning strategy, actively studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary, and seeking out opportunities for practice. This consecutive approach can be highly effective, particularly when combined with the adult's greater self-discipline and goal-oriented mindset. Furthermore, adults often possess stronger intrinsic motivation, driven by career goals, travel plans, or social connection. This focused motivation can compensate for any perceived disadvantages related to age. The last thing, addressing the challenges. While adults may face certain challenge, time constraints, potential inhibition, making mistakes, and pre-existing linguistic knowledge that can sometimes interfere. These are not insurmountable obstacles. Effective learning strategies, including utilizing language learning apps, attending classes, finding a language partner, and immersing themselves in the target language culture can significantly mitigate these difficulties. The key is to adapt learning techniques to suit individual learning style and embrace a growth mindset, celebrating progress and viewing mistakes as opportunities for learning. In a conclusion, age is just one of several factors impacting language learning. While children possess advantages in neuroplasticity and implicit learning, adults average superior cognitive skills, strategic learning approaches, and often stronger motivation. Successful language acquisition at any age hinges on a combination of factors including learning environment, learning strategy, individual aptitude, and personal dedication. The ability to learn a new language doesn't diminish with age, it simply evolves.